Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and press the icon button of my channel so that whenever I am posting the new videos, you can get a link and you can watch the video and you can make use of the videos in your friend circle, in your relative, in your office place, in your working place. These points which I am sharing with you are very effective. I am using these points from last so many years successfully on my patients, on my relative and around surrounding the people, those who are interconnected with me. I will show you just simple this point. The location of this point is very important. How you locate this point. You just make this index finger, thumb, you join both this like this and you will find a protruded portion here. Some portion which is protruded here in the right hand. Same point you will find in the left hand also. This is the point. This is the point. It is also another very important painkiller point, analgesic point. Immediately you will press this point and you can feel the reaction of this point in your painful area. Location, how to locate. I have told you, you make your hand like this, touch your thumb to the index finger, you will find the location. This is the location. And one more important thing I want to explain. This point is just below the index finger bone towards thumb side. This is the exact location of the point. This is the exact location of the point. And what you have to do, you just hold this point like this. As I am holding it, you can also hold this point, this index finger, beneath the bone of the index finger. This finger's bone is coming downward. And root of this is the exact location of the point. This is also very good point for your upper part of the body problem or even the frozen shoulder. So many cases I have treated this point for the frozen shoulder, cervical, head issue, painful area, neck area, and chest area. There are so many points, so many locations of the painful points this single point can cover. What you have to do, you just with the help of the index finger, and this is also index finger, go up to the root of this index finger bone, where this index finger bone is joining with the bone of this thumb and the palm bones. These are the bones given on the palm. Just you take the vertex or V where they are meeting and press this point like this. I am pressing this point. I am sure when you press this point, you will get relief in your shoulder pain, in your frozen shoulder, in your neck and in upper part of the body. Any pain you are having, any issue you are having, or even some cases you are having the sneezing, water discharge from the nose, and very uncomfortable situation. In that case, if the water discharge from the nose or running nose is there, you can put the red color on this point. I will show you how to put the red color on this point. This is a red pen I am using. But those who are having the skin issues or their skin is very tender, they can use the skin friendly or the non-toxic colors. So where to put, where to apply and how to apply this color, I will show you. This is the point where I was giving the pressure, and you can put the red dot on this area. Red dot in this area you will find within 5 minutes your running nose is controlled. There will be no discharge from the water from the nose. Thank you so much.